In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to your beginner campaign space in Wrike and get them set up with the right access. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account. From your workspace, navigate to the beginner campaign area. This might be listed as a project, folder, or space depending on how your account is organized, but look for the beginner campaign section in your left-hand navigation and click into it to open the main table view. Once you're inside the beginner campaign view, look towards the top or right side of the screen for the highlighted menu or icon that opens up user or sharing options. The exact position can vary slightly between layouts, but you're looking for the control that lets you manage who has access to this work. When that panel opens, click on the option for email addresses. This is where you'll specify who you want to invite into Wrike. In the email field that appears, start typing the email address of the person you want to add. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, because Wrike will send the invite directly to this address. After entering the email, you'll see options for what type of user they should be. By default, Wrike may suggest a regular user role. Go ahead and click on regular user first so you can see the available roles. Next, change their role to admin by clicking on the admin option. This gives them administrative rights for the relevant space or items, which is useful if they need to configure dashboards, manage workflows, or help oversee the campaign. Only assign the admin role if you trust this person with higher-level permissions, since they'll be able to make broader changes. With the role selected, look back to the highlighted area in the Sharing or Access panel and confirm that the correct space or project is selected. Then, click on the highlighted control that opens the dashboard selector. Choose Select a Dashboard, and from the drop-down, click on Dashboard. This links the new user with the right dashboard view so they can see the key information and widgets you've already set up. Now click on Add Project, Folder, or Space, and from the options, choose Space. This makes sure they are added at the space level rather than just to an individual task or folder, giving them the context they need around the entire beginner campaign. Before sending, click on Add an Invite Message. Here you can type a short, clear note explaining what this space is for, what you expect them to do, and any next steps they should follow when they log in. Once everything looks good, the email, the admin role, the selected dashboard, and your invite message, click on Send Invite. Wrike will send an email to that person, and as soon as they accept, they'll have access to the beginner campaign space with the permissions and views you've just configured.